Hi guys, welcome to the studio. Yes, I know it's been a long time and it's good to have, well, you back, or did I say it's good to have me back? Any which ways, over the past couple of months, I've had to do like a lot of things, the reason why I've been unable to attend to you by giving you, content. In a short while, I've had to go renew my professional certifications. Then I came back and I noticed that I plugged in my Akai Professional MPC Live 2. I was supposed to start working, before I knew what happened, I realized that it wasn't charging. I could only plug, I could only power it basically by using the device, that is the device adapter. It wasn't charging basically. I had like about 23% left on the battery, and as I speak with you right now, every attempt to get it to charge has been, pretty much abortive, and now the battery is completely drained. I will show that to you. Like right now, as you can see, it is completely drained. There is no, it's just showing one funny, just as you can see, very scary and not, impressive. I'm like, how many years has it been that I picked up this device? Has it been up to a year? Yeah, maybe just around a year, right? But I don't think the battery should start having an issue just over, short period of this 1 year, given the fact that this is supposed to, be built to last. So I don't know if you are out there and you're having similar issue, you just basically pick up your device one day and your battery refuses to charge. Let me know. And I'm wondering, could it be because I left it for like a while, maybe like a month, 2 months? Because even in the midst of that, I don't even think those should be the reason why the battery should, be faulty. I drop phones and then you come back, you pick up your device and you plug the phone starts charging, and every other device that uses battery. But this one, in this case, I came back, it wasn't charging on me, and that is really, really kind of like disappointing. Any which ways, if you have any fix or you know of anything that could possibly, go wrong that I need to tweak, just let me know in the comment section below. I've even had to go as far as, basically contacting the Akai team. I'm yet to hear from them. And also, I've gone as far as updating the OS, thinking maybe that might just help, maybe because it's outdated. We have the new update right now, and still, nothing works. Yes, that's my dilemma. When I get that to fix, although it's working fine. Once it's connected to the power unit using the adapter, it works fine. But outside of that, nah, it's been freaking annoying. Which means I can't take it out. I like sometimes to just walk outside of the studio. I like to walk, just away from the house. But now I can't do that because of this issue. Yep. So I'll let you know if I'm able to fix it. I'll let you know basically what that would mean for me, and maybe I'll be able to share that knowledge with you guys as well. But in the meantime, that'll be all for now. See you in the next one.